days, even in the 250-pound mobile phone market, we're starting to see brands put real effort into quality. It's not just about performance anymore. Solid designs, premium looks, and long-lasting batteries are becoming the new standard, especially for people who need something reliable outdoors. And now the Honor X70 has officially launched, carrying that same reputation forward. This phone brings a fresh wave of durability, refined design, and seriously impressive battery life. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's start with the design. Honestly, it feels almost flagship level. The right-angled frame paired with a circular camera module gives it a very sleek and premium vibe. On top of that, Honor has introduced 4 unique color options: Cinnabar Red, Bamboo Rhythm Green, Moonlight White, and Phantom Black. Among them, the Cinnabar Red stands out with its plain leather finish, giving it a classy, business-like texture that's caught a lot of attention. Moving to the display, you're getting a huge 6.79-inch Oasis Eye Protection screen with 1.5K resolution. Peak brightness hits an incredible 6,000 nits, and with 3D 8 and 40 Hz high-frequency dimming, it's easy on the eyes. Honestly, for this price, that's a seriously impressive screen. But durability is where this phone really shines. Most devices in this range now focus on toughness, dustproofing, waterproofing, and drop resistance, and the Honor X70 raises the bar. It comes with IP66, IP68, and IP69K certifications. For those who know the ratings, that means complete dust protection and serious water resistance. It can handle powerful water jets, high-pressure sprays, and even resist steam better than most phones. That's flagship-level toughness. And here's a cool bonus. Using Honor's Yo-Yo AI assistant, you can actually activate a drain command that helps expel water from the speakers automatically. When it comes to drops, Honor didn't hold back either. The X70 features a newly upgraded body armor structure, carrying on the X series focus on durability. The frame and back panel are reinforced with shock-absorbing materials as protecting the internals against accidental drops. Whether it's concrete, tiles, or asphalt, the phone can take a hit and keep going. Now, under the hood, the Honor X70 is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset built on a 4nm process. That means smooth gaming performance for titles like Honor of Kings and zero stress for everyday multitasking. For cameras, you get a 50-megapixel ultra-clear main sensor with OIS for optical image stabilization. With AI enhancements like face restoration and reflection removal, the photos come out crisp and clear, perfect for daily shooting. But the real game changer here is the battery. The Honor X70 packs a massive 8300 mAh cell. In real-world testing, after recording 1080p video at 60 FPS for an hour and gaming for another hour, the phone still had 87% battery left. That's seriously reliable power, especially for outdoor use. Charging is just as impressive. Every model supports 80-watt wired fast charging, and the 512GB version even includes 80-watt wireless fast charging, giving you flexibility no matter where you are. All in all, the Honor X70 is easily one of the best-built phones in the 300-pound category. With durability, toughness, and long-lasting battery life, it's a perfect pick for anyone who spends time outdoors or just wants a phone that won't quit. Dustproof, waterproof, drop-resistant, and powerful, this is a phone built to last. So what are your thoughts on this device? Which feature stands out as your favorite? Share your opinion in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tech videos, and follow me on X for the latest tech updates and deals. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.